Welcome to this beginner friendly Python tutorial. Today we will learn what is function in Python, how to define a function, and how to use built-in function like printf and input with example. Let's talk about what is function. A function is just a block of code that does a specific task. Instead of writing the same code again and again, we write a function once and we can reuse it. Let's say a very simple example, like we define grid is a function, and inside the function we use print. Then to run the function we must call it. Let's see the example, then we can clear about it. So open new Python, dev grid, print, then press shift and enter. Okay, so we define function, then we need to call it. So how to call it? Just write grid and press enter, shift enter. Now you can see welcome to the Python. Now let's see some built-in function like print, input. So let's see how to use it. Python already gives us some ready-made functions. One of them print example, like print press enter. It's working, right? So print actually used to display output of the screen. Then another popular built-in function is input. This is used to take input from user, like name. You can copy and paste it. When you run this, Python actually wait for input. Let's try, shift enter. Now it's asking for input like this. Thank you for watching.